Yaya Han, and we're here to unbox a sewing machine. It is my machine, the new Bernette 79 Yaya Han Edition. Alright, let's go. This is the biggest box I have ever unboxed. We'll see how it goes. I can't even reach. Oh my goodness. Oh. Alright, put away the sharp knife. Let's see what we have in here. First of all, the packaging is so pretty, isn't it? We went with lavender, pink, because my colors are kind of pink and purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take the first layer out. So let's take a look at the first tier. So first of all, this machine comes with the full version of the Creator 9 software. So this is an embroidery software that allows you to embroider just about anything. So you can literally import any photo, any image, any vector into the software, and it has an auto digitizing feature. You just click a button and it fills it in for you, and then you can edit it and alter it however you want. So for a cosplayer, for a fashion garment sewer, you literally can make any design that you want. So this is the game changer, having the software included with the machine, because usually softwares are like over $1,000, and my machine, because I have included the software, there's no more gatekeeping. Anyone can get into embroidery. That is what I wanted. I wanted us to have the full software included, and I'm so proud. I'm just so excited that we get to show everyone this is how you get into embroidery. And I also love my little like presser feet accessory box. So these are additional presser feet that we selected. It has my picture in there too. And it's like just super cute how it's set up. All the cute presser feet in there. Here's a non-stick foot for like vinyls and such. And there's an edge stitch foot that's like my favorite because it lets you stitch super close and do like a really neat top stitch. All the things that you need to make beautiful garments. And then we of course included 3 different sizes of embroidery hoops. I will show you these hoops more later, but this is how big the biggest hoop is. I mean, this is massive. You can embroider a really big piece on here. Now we have some little accessories that are very important, all the different additional presser feet. We have a second bobbin plate, another pressure plate. There's a lot going on here for sure. Now I'm gonna try to get the machine out because it's a little bit of a beast. I probably have to put the box on its side. It's so pretty in there. We're gonna take this out first. So this is the cover for the machine. This is another plate, so you have like even more area to sew on. This is great for like bigger pieces of fabric. Okay, we'll try to get the embroidery module out and then the machine. This is the embroidery module that hooks onto the machine. And I love that we have a purple bar. Okay, look at my beauty. Here, we can take off this. I always love doing like the plastic off. And it opens up. Here's where you put like your spools and everything, and then it comes with a little pen because this is actually a touch screen. So we're gonna turn it on in a second and I'll show you how pretty it looks. But I love that it comes with like a little pen. It's really fun. Okay. We definitely thought long and hard about the design of it. I really love, you know, honeycomb, hexagon shapes, and we went with complementary colors, so blues and purples and such, and of course like purple is my favorite color, obviously. And so I'm really happy that we were able to make the machine so colorful and have like a nice futuristic design. And then we have this big stitch plate that comes with like these feet that pop out, which I think are pretty cool. And this snaps on, so you have like this huge area to sew on, and I think that's really cool. It's really important for me whenever I sew a skirt or a cape or anything to have that extra area. It's like, makes you feel like you're doing it professionally. We took a minute to reset, so now you can see everything that comes in the box. Very nice big box. So this is the unboxing of my Bernette B79 Yaya Han Edition. We're gonna have another tutorial video where we show you some of the items here in action and what you can make with it. So be sure to check out the Bernette website for more information, or go to your local Bernette dealer to see my beautiful machine in action. It is on sale now, so I hope you will choose it for your cosplay and fashion items. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more crafting and sewing videos, and I can't wait to see what you make with my machine at the next convention.